Hi, good morning, Lester Middle School Wildcats. I'm here again. I'm going to show you some things that concern me. I keep talking to you guys about making your PowerPoint presentations into bullet points, but I still see people getting into the habit of making their presentations into paragraph format. So I'm gonna take a little time out to show you what I'm expecting as far as as far as slideshow presentations. So I have a slideshow right here that this is all in paragraph format. Okay, this is really good presentation. It looks really nice, but it's going to be easier to read, easier to present if it's in bullet points. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this right here, and I'm going to separate this. Let's move this picture. Let's make that small for now. So it says Taoism is a well-known religion that originated in China and still an active religion. Okay, so let's change this. Um, Take this out because we already know it's Taoism because it says Taoism at the top. So we're gonna say it's well known. Okay, and let's say that here. Let me change this to belief system. So well-known belief system. Make that capitalized. It originated in China and is still active. Let's take this out right here. And we want to make sure that this is very concise, meaning as few words as possible, but it gets the meaning across. Okay, we don't want our viewers to see a lot of paragraphs because it is hard to read small paragraphs on the screen. So Taoism, so we're gonna look at this one right here. Taoism is a Chinese philosophy, also known as Taoism. So we already know it came from China, so we don't really need Chinese right here. So we're gonna change this out, uh, take that out. I'm gonna say it is also known as Taoism. That's another fact. And then we have three facts right here. It is based on a writing of Lao Tzu and advocating humility and religious piety. So we're going to make this, I'm going to change this format right here. This is a good thing that you guys should be doing, changing these formats. Let's go format. No. It's layout. Where's my layouts? Right here, layout. I'm going to change this layout. I like this layout right here. It's really good to give out. Let's put a picture over here. You can make this. Take out this period since we're going to change this to bullet points. Then you can make this bigger. I would say maybe 30. Let's try 30. Ooh, that's too big. Let's try 24. That's good. I like that. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make another slide. And I'm going to take these two facts right here. Let me highlight them. These two facts. I'm going to put these on my next slide. So now, well, that's three facts. So now I have three facts here. I'm going to take these right here and I'm going to erase these right here. Oops, sorry about that. Take these right here, erase this. And I think I have an extra one over here that I don't need. I don't need this right here. And then I'm going to put bullet points on this. Bullet points, all you have to do is highlight it. Come over here where it says bullet points. And you have a bullet point. Okay? And to make this spread out, I'm going to add space there, just like that. And then I'm going to come over here. And I'm going to make this picture bigger. Just like that. Then I'm going to go to my next slide. I like to do things, I like to make things balanced. So since I had this, my previous slide everything was on, all my text was on this side. I'm going to take this and I'm going to copy it over here. And I'm going to erase this. So everything's kind of balanced. So everybody's looking from, so you don't have to look from, like this screen has the picture here. So now I can put a picture here. So I can keep the reader's eyes moving. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to put a bullet point. And then I'm going to go and I'm going to insert a picture, insert an image from the website, from my website. And since this bullet point is talking about writing, I'm going to just Google, we'll take this, writing of Lao Tzu. I'm going to copy that into here. We'll see if I can find an image. Okay. I see some good stuff right here. You have to be careful with some of the Chinese characters. You have to know what they mean in order to use them. I mean, it would be helpful to know what they mean. So I try to stay away from Chinese characters that I can't read. Like all this, I can't read that, so I'm not going to use it. But this right here looks like something that would be interesting. So I just slide it over. Let's try that again. Is it working? All right, there it is. It's coming. It comes in super big, right? So we'll make it smaller. And I accidentally did this twice, so I'm going to delete that one. Personally, this text box gets in the way, so I'm going to delete this text box. And I have that here. And I'm going to take this slide, this title of the previous slide. I'm going to copy it. And I'm going to put it here because it's the same information. You need a question mark here. So for all of your slides, this is what your slides should look like. Very well spaced out, easy to read. Okay. This right here is very difficult to read if you are a viewer looking at this in a classroom. And it also leads to the presenter reading straight off the board with his back to the class. So this right here gives it, allows the reader or allows the presenter to actually remember the facts and actually pay attention to the audience. Okay, so that is what I would expect from you guys for your presentations, and I hope that's what I'm seeing. One of the criteria in your rubric is to have bullet points. So make sure you're using bullet points. Thank you. Have a nice day.